Good morning, classics. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great, and I believe that you all are all doing great and good and happy, fit and fine, strong, eating, sleeping, playing, studying, loving your parents, doing everything, and it's great, right? So it's good that you are taking care of yourselves and everything is fine. So, what we are going to do today is we are going to talk about dinosaurs. The Great Mystery or the Great Dinosaur Mystery. It's a non-fiction. I'll tell you basically what I know about dinosaurs. After that, we'll go to the book. You have to see from different angles. Remember that elephant and the blind people? For junior, actually, for what I have learned from my knowledge, from my Bible, reading my Bible, my religion, my Bible I've read, and I've come to know about it's a creationism, sorry. It's not true, maybe, or it's a contrary to the young earth interpretations of the Bible, which I have learned. One can believe in an old earth with or without evolution and still believe in an inherent infallible word of God. What happened to dinosaurs? It's 1,000 years of history, more than that. But if we ignore all of the scientific evidence which indicates the dinosaurs lived million of years ago, millions of years ago. Now, how much of the scientific evidence indicates that dinosaurs lived million years ago? All of it. But there is no evidence that dinosaurs lived only thousands of years ago. No one has scrutinized it. It can be easily shown as false. This is what happens when you presuppose that the earth is young and then twist the evidence to match your notions. Okay. Are dinosaurs a mystery? As because it is said the great dinosaur mystery. Of course, there are mysteries with the dinosaurs. No man has ever seen one, so it's a mystery. Have you seen one? We reconstruct what we can of their lives in our mind just by the evidence given to us. We have from fossils and trace of fossils. It was an evolutionary story of their history, of the historians or the writer. There's a person writer, Mr. Ham. Or he's just giving us a blowing smoke. Secular scientists have a very good picture of dinosaur life, and the mysteries are few. Okay. Dinosaur scientists are making wild guesses. In reality, not much work or guesswork was involved. Where scientists have to fill in the gaps, it is a highly educated guess. They rely only upon sources of information such as other comparable fossils, trace of fossils, radiometric dating, stratigraphic position, and others research into the specific or the species in the question. It's not like that they don't have a clue, they know everything, the scientists. They sometimes are proven wrong after a new evidence is uncovered. This is a natural part of scientific method. when new discoveries are made. Old theories are discarded. Young earth creationists love to point out errors in theories. What we do? We are reading something, oh, this is wrong. We think we are great. But this is just a scientific method of work. Discarding banned theories, which people are saying the young group, cannot be used to imply a young earth is correct. All the evidence still indicates millions of years. In reality, there is no such thing as banned theory. Okay. In reality, there is no such thing as bad theory, only bad data that led to the theory. Bad data, what I am putting into that theory is becoming bad. Why is this theory between people and not and other scientists and normal people not having two various views or difference? It's a mystery, isn't it? Scientists try to connect the fossils to find the past. Of course they do. All the evidence, as I said, supports them to being millions of years old. Now the young earth creationists, whose people, the young group, try to dismantle the evidence and come up with alternate theories. But they are all flawed, they are all useless, because they are assuming that the earth is only 6,000 years old. And then from that 6,000 years old, they try to make the evidence fit into it. They try to take the scientific truth and make it match with what is there in the books, or religious books, or interpretation of other books, even in our Bible. It's a cultural issue. The history book of the universe from the very beginning, true, but it varies depending on who is interpreting it. Okay, this is what it is all about. What were dinosaurs? It's a mystery. We have seen movies, isn't it? I can give you a bit of information. What is a dinosaur? What do dinosaurs mean? Now if I go to your book, means terrible lizard. It comes from a Greek word. Dino means terrible, saur means lizard. When scientists first discovered dinosaur fossil, they imagined them to be the remains of huge lizards from the past. Tyrannosaurus rex. Then we have over 700 different species of dinosaurs have been identified and named. But scientists are thinking there is the paleontologists at the paleo time, that they're still thinking that there will be some more. What dinosaurs are alive today? Other than birds, there is no scientific evidence that any dinosaurs such as the Tyrannosaurus or the Velociraptor or the Apatosaurus or the Stegosaurus or the Triceratops are still alive. These and all other non-avian dinosaurs became extinct 65 million years ago at the end of the Cretaceous period. Okay. What is the closest thing to the dinosaurs? Birds are the most thought to be the only animals around today that are directly descendants of dinosaurs. Birds. Even if you go to a farm and see chickens, they are all the relatives, living relatives of the most incredible predator of the world has ever known. Okay. This is all about dinosaurs. If you have seen the Jurassic Park, you will come to know what actually dinosaurs were. Can they come back? While dinosaur bones can survive for millions of years, dinosaur DNA almost certainly does not. But still, scientists are searching for a dinosaur, just in case. But extinct animals can only be again re-engineered. You have to make one. Once it gets extinct, it does not come back. What came after the dinosaurs? $200,000. They lived 65.8 million years ago. Just 200,000 years after the mass extinction that wiped out all the dinosaurs except birds. So birds came after the dinosaurs. Okay. This is the basic things all about it. So I'll just read through and we'll come back in the next video.